Remember, if somebody snapped your paddles and the paddle clips, others you didn't, so it's a good idea to, because if you have to tip the boat over to get the water out, the paddles will go all over the place. So if you're in those paddle clips, they'll stay in the boat.
You should grab that. We always should have all of them.
And you guys ought to tell each other if you're going to flip the boat when you pull it out. In other words, if it's got water in it, you're going to want to tilt the boat over. So hopefully anything in the boat should stay in except maybe your paddle.
If there's a little water like this, just turn it down a little bit so it gets back here.
Yeah.
If any of them come out, yell at me and I'll grab them.
Okay, you might just have to grab
So
one.
right there, guys, I just wanted to say something about the angles. Sir, you were on the middle one. No one was on that far one where you're at now. Colin was standing here without one, so just communicate. Say, Serge, hop on that back one. No, you'll fish.
Now we could add a second set of handles if you want. Think that would help?
There's plenty of handles.
Yeah, plus you can
cover a handle.
plus you can grip those shorts, the
You
aluminum
just
things.
need to have someone there, you know?
Okay.
Okay. I'll keep an eye out for that.
Like when you guys get in the race, you know, if you're going to be, there's going to be a lot going on. You got to remind each other when you go do your switch, everybody just slow down, move steady. You know, it's going to be easy for somebody to move quick. But you got to just remind each other of that. Like if you just move smooth, slow it down, you just fine.
And also some of these long stretches, you might want every 5-10 minutes just put in a 30-second push.
Yeah.
Because like Steve and I noticed, you guys really have that just a little bit of effort, that boat goes another couple miles an hour faster. And then when you kind of back off again, your muscles are woke up, and that without thinking about it, you're going to carry that speed another 3 or 4 minutes. So I'm just saying, just by doing that, say 10 times during each hour, you can pick up 1 or 2 minutes just like that. Either putting the teams behind you, or closing the gap if somebody got away. You know. And that's what's going to happen. A lot of those teams, you know, they'll blow themselves out in the first hour, and then they'll just be lily dipping, and you guys, if you're steady, and you can go right by them. So that's fun. I do that a lot. When I'm waking Steve.
Grab a wake if you can.
Well, we talked about that. That might be, well, you never know. Wide's getting good enough. You know, the easiest way to ride 1 or 2 waves directly right behind, they'll break the wind too. That's good. You know, if it's headwind, that's another advantage. If you can get behind another team that's not going too much faster than you.
Yeah, that might be good. But you know, in the back of the boat, it's just waves like this. You can just fall into a trough, and if they're about the same speed, you guys can go great. But it's hard. If you're doing this, there's no problem. Yeah.
Well, why don't you throw some water in the boat, see if that baler works.
The baler works the pump truck.
Oh, the baler works? I'm saying the electric pump. I'd probably not. You see if it kicks on. Let's go. See if it kicks on.
Spitting out there, Serge.
Yeah. Okay, so that,
I honestly think the best place for it, I mean, you can see it right now. The middle, be right here, like right underneath. Yeah.
okay. Yeah. So show me again where you think it should be out.
And even then, I think that's
I'll do some Velcro on it. Maybe I'll lower that pump a little bit.
yeah.
So where do you think it should be?
Right around here.
Okay.
Like right in between your feet.
Yeah, because we have the automatic baler to pull out stuff in the back, and then the electric one.
Where are you at? So somewhere
So as far as how it's working, if I can get that flatter on the bottom of the boat,
Yeah.
like maybe I can.
If you let it go right there, it's not going to drain.
So it's not even on with that much water.
Yeah.
So we could put a couple more like styrofoam pieces on there or foam pieces.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So that
So it
it'll.
kicks on there. I was wondering. Yeah. I had that on. That's when I did it. So yeah, more weight, another half inch maybe.
Foam.
So that it kicks on. And I think if I mount the pump so it's flat on the bottom, so it's got another, you know.
Yeah.
I maybe put a couple strips of wood so it's flat.
A real emergency.
Who made that boat? Who built that boat? Nobody
I think that's John Newman, Grass River. We race this one, and that year Mark Gillespie had a new one that passed.
You raced this boat?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is one we raced. I think Gillespie only had two. This one, and then Gillespie sold this to Dale.
You're anything at Gillespie?
Dale's been having them.
Go for one right now.
Been having with them on and off.
I'm kidding. I was
Alright, I'm gonna hopefully I'll have a river patrol up here. No big deal.
Yeah, you can, oh, AAA has them. If you want to get one.
Maybe I don't need one. Now there's somebody up there, I'll just pedal back and walk out here.
Yeah, it's like
Hit it!
$18 for 2 years.
Don't show me what goes in my mouth. There's no water channel. Alright.
Good luck, guys.
Hey, thank you.
Yeah, stay safe.
for helping.
I'll be in touch.
Good luck in your endeavors.
The boat?
Hey, can you go out there like...
No, I'm saying like getting the water out, not actually.
Dude, you gotta get my car. Right now, I don't know if now's a good time to talk, but we should. This week, Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday.
Let's keep the boat up there quick, and then we'll talk about this.
But the water came out.
Hey, you guys didn't flip today?
Yeah.
Oh, an accident.
Let's see the guys. Let's water out. We'll go right to the
Exactly.